Hi team, this is Coach Schmidt and I'm here to bring you a hiking adventure in Manitou Springs. I call this hike the Mincline because it's a miniature version of the Manitou Incline. I give it a 6 out of 10 difficulty rating and it should take you anywhere from 1.5 to 3 hours. I recommend bringing plenty of water, a small snack, and layered clothing to get this one done. Let's check out a map of how to get there.
From Colorado Springs, we're going to head west on Highway 24 until we get to Manitou Springs. We're going to take the first exit into Manitou, and then you're going to take your first left onto Crystal Park Road. You turn right in front of Savelli's Pizza. On Crystal Park Road, you actually follow it all the way up until you get to a gatehouse. Once you're at the gatehouse, you're going to turn around and park about 200 feet from the gate.
Hey Adventure Team, here we are at the Mincline, as I call it. It's actually the Paul Inteman Trail. We're going to hit this section right across the road, and it's going to go up to that home site. All right, here we go.
About 2/3 of the way up the climb, you're going to come across the Medicine Wheel. It's a natural Pikes Peak granite formation, guaranteed to cure anything that might ail you.
Alright guys, we're almost there. If you take this trail, we'll actually go back down into Manitou. But today we're going to hike to the top of Iron Mountain, so we've got another 100 yards to go up the hill here. That's it. Alright, Achieve Online, we made it to the top. As you can see, there's not a lot to see today in the snow, but we do have a surprise. This is Peggy the treasure troll, and Peggy's going to get buried right at the top here with Mr. Jefferson.
The first student to collect the treasure troll not only gets the loot, but also will receive 20 extra credit points in my class. Happy hunting! All that remains now is the return voyage. I hope you enjoyed your adventure on the Mincline and are eager for more to come. Remember to stay safe, be kind, and enjoy the world.